Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to make calls and answer them on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. As a first step, let me show you how to make calls. For that, we would need to wake up our watch and then swipe up. Click on this phone app and here is it. On this app, you would be able to see all of the contacts that you have saved on your phone, and also here we can find a numpad in which you can enter the mobile number manually. So for example, let's try to call my friend Linda. I will click on this name of hers and click on this green phone, and as you can see, the call has started. Here we have some options on this call which you can see. First one is to turn it on to the speaker. The second one is to mute the microphone, and by clicking on these three dots we can open a keypad or switch this call to a phone. So let's go back and end the call. So now let me show you how to answer the calls, but also you need to keep in mind that to make a call or answer a call, you would need to keep your phone in the Bluetooth range of your watch. So now let's test it. As you can see, my friend is calling me right now, and we have two options here. The first one is answer the call, which is the green phone, and to decline a call is the red one. So let's accept the call. And here we got the same options as before, which is speaker, mute the microphone, and by clicking on the three dots, keypad and switch to phone. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.